Unlock the door to higher consciousness. Feel the surge of energy and clarity as you embrace the first key to spiritual awakening, mindfulness. Dive deep into the present moment, where true transformation begins. Awaken your inner self through the second key, self-love. Nurture your soul with compassion and kindness. Realize that the journey to spiritual awakening starts within, and you hold the power to ignite it. Tap into the boundless power of intention. The third key to spiritual awakening reveals that your thoughts shape your reality. Focus your mind, set your goals, and witness the universe align in your favor. Connect deeply with the world around you. The fourth key is unity. Embrace the interconnectedness of all beings. Recognize that you are a vital part of a greater whole, and let this awareness guide your spiritual journey. Embrace the practice of gratitude. Each moment is a gift, and the fifth key to spiritual awakening is to appreciate it. Cultivate an attitude of thankfulness and watch your spiritual path illuminate with joy. Empower your spirit with the sixth key, action. Spiritual awakening demands more than just thought. Take the steps, make the changes, and let your awakened soul lead you toward a life of purpose and fulfillment.